everyone, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to create a recipe called the Berry Iced Egg. And this recipe was created by the culinary students of Dubisky Career High School at Grand Prairie ISD. So, to start, we're going to need a half a cup of blueberries, a fork, and then we're going to need like a mixing bowl of some sort. So we're going to set one blueberry aside, just one for later. Then we're going to take our half a cup of blueberries, we're going to pour them into the mixing thing, and now we're going to mash it with the backside of the fork. When you're done, it should look something like this, and you might have to use a whisk if the blueberries are too hard. Okay, then we are going to take a lemon, and we're going to squeeze out 1 tablespoon using a lemon juicer. And then we are going to pour this in with our blueberries. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of whipped cream cheese in with the stuff. So we're just going to put that in. And then we're going to mix everything up. After you've mixed everything up, put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. Now we're going to take it out of the freezer. To finish off our recipe, you're going to need the leftover blueberry, 2 pretzel sticks, some almonds, and then a broken up graham cracker. And then you're going to assort it like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your berry ice egg.